The Rocket uses a clever 5-latch system. Start by flipping the kayak upside down and bringing the two halves together. Close the 3 underside latches first, then flip it the right way up and close the 2 top latches. If any latch is too tight or too loose, adjust the nut. Never force a latch closed, as this can damage the adjoining catch screws. Get a firm, clean click and you're good to go. Stadium chair assembly. Move one slider or receiver to the back of each rail and screw the black bracket into each receiver. Then screw the front of the seat into the 2 front slider receivers. Rudder assembly. Thread the pin through the rear hole in the kayak. Insert the security pin through the hole at the bottom of the rudder pin and open the ends with pliers or a screwdriver to lock it in place. For the lifting cable, thread the rope through the main hole at the start of the rudder, over the top of the wheel but under the crossbar. Down through the gap, then through the hole and tie a knot. Unwind the butterfly nuts, thread them through the plastic holes on each side of the rudder, then tighten. Center the rudder and adjust the wing nuts as needed. We recommend using Loctite for the rudder wing nuts and to secure any loose nuts and bolts before going on the water. Test by pulling the rudder, raising and lowering cable on the right side of the cockpit. The rod holder bracket has 3 pieces. Combine the 2 black rounds bottom to middle. Align rail sliders, mount the screws, insert the holder into the base, and close the slider to lock. Let's assemble your real Yaks propeller pedal drive. Insert the shaft pin and center it using the 2 marks. Place the propeller on and rotate until it drops into place and locks. Add the lock washer to the screw and tighten to secure. Remove the nuts from the 4 long screws. Press the nuts into the curved arms hex slot and tap gently to seat them. Attach the arms to the shaft with the curve facing down toward the propeller. Tighten all 4 screws until snug. Find the 2 black top screws. They have opposite threads. Check the pedals for left and right. With the propeller shaft pin facing you, attach the right pedal on the right, then the left on the opposite side. When the right is down, the left should be up. This offset is essential. Spin the pedals. The propeller should turn. Screw the front and back knobs fully up before inserting. Drop the drive in with the propeller facing the seat. Twist the side locks, then tighten the front and back knobs evenly until firm. Each hull section is sealed with a screw plug. Check these regularly to make sure they're secure and tight. Paddle assembly. Depress the button, join the 2 halves, and choose from 3 blade angle positions for your preferred paddling style. Done in seconds. We recommend using Loctite to secure all screws before heading on the water. And for maintenance, use a fresh wash on your kayak after each use. And use some marine grease on any moving parts once a month to ensure you get the most out of your real Yaks kayak.